Hey guys, so today I want to show you this 10-quart combination air fryer and toaster oven. So shout out to the brand for sending this over to me. This thing is awesome, perfect for small spaces like this. So we've got temperatures up to 450. You have multiple settings, so you can do air fryer, bake, dehydrate, broil, grill, all of the things. And then you can actually put it on a timer for up to 60 minutes. So I love cooking my sweet potatoes in here, as well as our corn dogs, things like that. So you've got multiple trays. This is more for broiling. And then, of course, you have the grilling ones. We're going to take those out, and I'm actually just going to use the basket. I'm going to put it here in the middle. Now, there is a collection tray on the bottom. So, you know, all the drippings, the crumbs, things like that. You can easily pull that out to clean it. So we're going to open this up here. And I am going to put my sweet potatoes in here. This is perfect if you live alone. My daughter just moved into her own small apartment dorm for college. And so this is going to be the perfect size for her to have there. Perfect serving size for one person. I'm going to put those in there. And then we're going to put it all the way to 400. We're going to go to air fry. And I'm going to put it on for 12 minutes. You can see it's cooking up in there. Again, this thing can do it all. So it's literally the perfect option for a college student or someone moving out on their own for the first time. Instead of having to have all the gadgets, they can do everything right in this one. All right, it's all done. Let's check it out. So it comes with this little grabber handle so that you don't have to reach in here and grab it hot. So we're just gonna pull that out crisp, put them on here, and it's done. I mean, this thing is, whew, those are hot. Okay, so we're gonna put that back in there. And like I said, it does have, which it's hot right now, so I'm not going to touch it, but there's a tray in the bottom. So once I'm done, it cools down. I can take that out, clean it, super easy. But all in all, this thing is great. I think it's perfect for small spaces, cooks everything to a perfect temperature. My potato fries are so delicious.